Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design a flyer easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select centimeters from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 210. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 297. Then we have to click on the OK. After that, we have to select a pen tool. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then we have to press and hold Alt key. Then we have to click on the anchor point. Then we have to click on here, 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 and here. Then we have to select the move tool. After that, we have to select the shape tool again, then right click on it, then select the round shape from it, then press and hold the shift key and draw this shape in here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then click on the color, then select the white color, then select the move tool, then increase the size of this. And click on the tick mark. Now we have to select this, then go to the layer panel, then right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color, then you have to drag this in here, then you have to click on here, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this again, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke, then increase the size of this. Now we have to select this, then drag this in here, then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark. Now we have to select the shape tool, then right click on it, then select the round shape. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then select this, then click on the anchor point, then right click on it, then click on the wrap. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then go to the layer panel, then drag this layer under this layer, then double click on here and select the red color. Now we have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then increase the size of these layers, then click on the tick mark. Now we have to select the pen tool, then we have to click on here, then we have to click on here and draw a curve, then we have to click on here, then we have to press and hold Alt key, then we have to click on here, 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 and here, then select the move tool, then double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Then select this again and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate this shape and click on the tick mark. Now we have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color and click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color, then you have to click on the OK. Now we have to select this again, then right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to decrease the opacity, then you have to decrease the size. Then I have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click here, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Now I have to decrease the opacity. Then decrease the size. Then click on the OK again. Now I have to select these, then right click on here, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then select the blues. Then select this color. Then you have to click on here, then click on here, then select this color. Then click on the OK. Now I have to select that red shape, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color, then you have to click on the OK. Then you have to click on the OK. Now I have to select this, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then you have to click on the outer glow. Then you have to decrease the noise from here, then you have to increase the opacity from here, then you have to increase the size from here, then you have to increase this, then click on the OK. Now we have to open a photo to set in here. So I am opening a photo from my PC. After open the photo, you have to unlock the photo, then drag this photo in here. Then you have to increase the size of this, then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the image, then you have to press and hold the Ctrl key, then you have to select this, I mean the round shape. Then you have to press Ctrl plus Z button from keyboard, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this, then you have to right click on here, then click on the create clipping marks. After that you have to set this image in here, then you have to click on the tick mark. Now we have to open our logo, so I am opening my logo from my PC. After open the logo, we have to drag this logo in here, then you have to set this logo in here. After set the logo, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your company name in here. Then you have to select this text, then you have to increase the size. After that you have to select the move tool, then you have to drag this in here, then you have to double click on here, then click on the color, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke, then click on the gradient, click on here, then you have to click on the blues, then you have to select this, then you have to click on the OK. Now you have to drag this in here. Now we have to open some icons to set in here. So I am opening the icons from my PC. After open the icons, we have to set these icons in our flyer. After that, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your number in here. Then you have to select this text, then click on here, then select the red color, select the blue color, then click on the OK, then select this, then you have to decrease the size of this. After that, you have to select this, then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to take a copy from this, then you have to select these layers, then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to select these, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, and double click on here, then write your email in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then you have to select this and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. After that, you have to drag this in here, then you have to select this and press and hold Alt key again, then take a copy from this, then double click on here, then write your website name in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this again. And select this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select this again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy again. Then write your location in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select the move tool, then I have to increase the size of this. Then I have to drag this text in here. Then I have to decrease the screen size. Then I have to select these layers, then click on the lock icon, then select this, then decrease the size of this. Then I have to drag this in here, then click on the tick mark. After that, I have to select the shape tool, then I press and hold the shift key, then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to select the move tool, then I have to decrease the size of this. Then I have to go to the layer panel, then right click on here, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke. Then you have to click on here, then you have to click on the inside. Then you have to decrease this, increase the size. Then I have to select color from here, then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to drag this in here, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then I have to select the move tool, then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Now I have to select this, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then I have to drag this in here. Now I have to select the text tool again, then I have to click on here, then I have to write your company services in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then you have to decrease the size of this. Then I have to drag this in here. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then I have to select these layers, then drag these layers in here. Then I have to decrease the size of these layers. Then I have to select the move tool. Now I have to select the shape tool again, then right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool. Then I have to press and hold the shift key, then draw this shape in here. Then you have to increase the pixels from here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then select the text tool, then click on it, then right here about us. Then select this, then decrease the size of this. Then click on the tick mark, then drag this in here. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write something about your company. After that, you have to select these layers. Then you have to decrease the size of this. Then you have to select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then you have to double click on here, then decrease the size again. Then you have to click on the color, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then select this text, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this text. And click on the tick mark. Now we have to open the profile icon. Then I have to increase the size of this. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Now I have to select the rounded rectangle tool, then draw this shape in here. Then increase the pixels from here. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then go to the layer panel. Then right click on here, then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then write your name in here. Then select the move tool, then increase the size of this. So friends, now you can see our flyer design has been completed. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.